So I'm going to do a before video. This is sort of like midway through, well, not midway, this is like the very beginning of the garden for the spring and summer of 2024. So let me update you a little bit. We had to have the pipe replaced, central stack replaced. So they dug up the whole entire backyard on one side. We had to dig up everything. My 3-tier bed is no more. And so we also had to plant grass seed. We can see how that's progressing. It was awful, y'all. So let me show you. Just repotted my 2 snake plants. I got from Trader Joe's. Floral arrangements. These are my side pots this year. I have daisies, African daisies. I have all kind of daisies in here. I seed them in my morning glories. This side does not do as well as that side does, but okay. There's Max. I clean this up, but I was able to put these out here. Okay, so listen. Okay, so tomato wall. Tomatoes. Huh? What was that you found yesterday? Grass. Well, ornamental grasses. This is my bunny grass. So this is more ornamental. We'll just seed them and see how that goes as well. So that's that. This were the nuke boxes. I don't know when we have to take these back by, but please return to Isabee's 4.2. So I don't know. Do we get money back or what? This is the wheat. Corn. Sunflowers, carrots, sunflowers. Wheat. Sedalia. These are bees. Let's get a look at them. They're still going in and coming out. So, they're just coming in and out. We got them in the hospital and in the factory. She's empty for now. We don't even have our box. We don't have our rocks up on top of the beehives.
Yeah, come do me a favor. Start this. Let me know how the view looks. You still see the bag, and this is from this angle here. See this? Okay. When you just start that camera, just hit the little red button. So you see the...
Okay.
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay. So this is another. I cannot remember the name of it, but that's something. I have to see what that is also. But it's for the bees. It's just this is some of my stevia. I have peanuts in here. Some of my mom's chamomile over here. See it? That is honeydew. And I think I see something coming up here. I don't know what that is, but and then we got watermelon over here. You see it popping up. My stevia and amaranths and cantaloupe. That whole side is just gonna have cantaloupe coming out. This is my sunflower bed. These are Russian mammoths, stevia, white, key lime marigolds, sunflowers. This is key lime sunflowers are all here. There's Max again. Okay, these are Job's tears. We got more coming up. And radishes. Wasabi radish. This one would be watering stations. Corn. We got tomatoes back here and some little baby watermelon zinnias. I just threw zinnia seeds over there. This is going to be sorghum. It's going to be all fenced in right here. Sorghum with wall of sunflowers and ground cover Elysium. Okay, then we got coxcombs, and these are echinacea, tomatoes. I think those are beans, cowpeas, potatoes, corn around. You see the new thing here this year. We actually extended it to back here. This is my old greenhouse that I still will be using. I put a creeping thyme down to my little walk path here, as you can see it. Uh-oh. Let me back up so you can see my little pebbles here. I almost killed myself, Max. That was almost an accident. So that's that. This is the new bed back here. We got onions, watermelon. We have big watermelon fans and cantaloupes. Then I'm going to put some Kalahari melons back here and some other stuff too later. Because we really like melons, greens, sunflower seeds, stuff like that. Potatoes we use a lot of. Sweet potatoes I still have to get. Corn we use a lot of. I'm going to try to Job's Tears. These are my pots that grow out on the outside of the garage. I'm just trying to make sure that they grow because I forget to water things that are not in my face. Look at the kale. And my mom gave me some ferns, so I put them back here because nothing likes to grow back here, but maybe those will. Let's see, that's another one. Then this is another little bed we put in here with tomatoes, corn, cucumbers, and stuff like that. This is the new greenhouse. The new greenhouse is here. I just have it open just because I got some stuff in there. Okay, let's see. Okay, so it's a whole bird in there. It's a whole bird in there, man. Oh my gosh, that scared the hell out of me. Oh no. Do you see that? You dummy.
He up here, Max. Look, looking for him up here.
Max, he's right there,
what
dude.
Kind of dog is you? Look, up here.
He's looking for the bird that has already flown. This is my Max here. The bird was in here. That was another. So she was sitting in there waiting for somebody to come in to help her, I think. Okay, now I'm scared. Okay, so this is lemongrass. This is got me flustered. Bells of Ireland, and I don't even know what that is. This is lemongrass. I saw some coming up, and then these are tomatoes. So that's all I got in here right now. So I need to take you out. Okay. Now, this is my lettuce bed. I got some peppers over here and ground cherries. Make some ground cherry jam. We got carrots, as you can see. These are radishes in here. Lettuce, sunflower, celery, corn, cucumbers, Kalahari melons, sunflowers. This is one of my watermelons. Black beans, baby watermelons. This is a flower bed here. Got some everything in it. Orange, amethyst. One true love. Toothache plants. Bells of Ireland. Amaranth. Nostropes. African daisies. Basket flowers. Zinnias. Marigolds. Zinnias. strawberries, sunflowers, and there's more stuff in here too. Okay. Watermelon. This is cucumbers. You green apple cucumbers. These are all sunflowers, cucumbers, tomatoes that just seeded themselves. Got some onions in here too. Sunflowers. Citronella. This is what citronella is here for, because this is going to be my hammock area. My hammock right here, hanging from those posts. See? Update you. This is my new wall. This is the wall that we had last year. I got cucumbers. This is my cucumber wall, y'all. Nostrums as the bait plant. Trimmed them up yesterday so they can start trellising up. So they look good. Got another nostrum. The morning glories that go in the front. I'm just letting them go out here so they can be a bush. These are the bottom of my poles. I have wildflowers planted. Wildflower seeds are planted. So if you grow up, it'll be pretty tall. And then I'm going to do my own flowers and put bees. And you'll see what I'm talking about. This is one of my beds that I'm the proudest of. Okay. This is my grapevine. This is my grapevine. Trellis up and over. That's weeds that's gonna get pulled. Sunflowers, there's all kind of stuff in here. It's just some of everything. These are lion's tail. Look at that. Dill, chamomile, cilantro, salvosas, basket flowers, carnations, zinnias, lemon balm. And you go in and start to pick up stevia and lavender. Let's go. Where Max? Right here.